how to disable autoplay videos in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to disable autoplay videos in Safari on your iPhone. Now, you might have noticed that Safari doesn't have a direct setting to stop all autoplay videos, but don't worry, I'll show you a simple workaround to reduce those distractions. First, open up your Settings app and then head over to Accessibility. Now, you can see Motion, tap on it, and then you'll see an option to toggle on Reduce Motion. Just toggle it on. So this won't block all videos, but it can help stop some autoplay previews and background animations. And that's it. You've taken a step towards a less distracting browsing experience in Safari. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.